Hello, everyone. My name is Mr. Isa Akalume. I'm a data marketing expert um, and an instructor. Data marketing expert with over 7 years of expertise. This is 2024. I want to teach you how to publish a video on YouTube. The main aim of publishing, the main aim of learning how to publish a video on YouTube is for you to be able to make that video rank, to make the video be on a better position on YouTube search. We all know that YouTube is what? YouTube is the number one video search engine in the world. So let me just show you an example of why you need to optimize a video before you upload it, or why you need to optimize a video while uploading it. This is all the steps you need to take. These are the checklists. So let me just go to YouTube and show you. This is YouTube. So let's search. Let us do a search of one of the title or one of the keywords that are related to one of my videos. How to share blue data. This is the search. This is the YouTube search. So this is what can you see? This is my video brown white pages. This is my video number one. This is my video. This is my video. So the aim is for your video to be at the top. I think okay. So this is it. This is my video. So that is the aim. So let's go. This is my channel icon. So let's go back. This is basically the introduction. So this is what I want to teach you. I'll teach you everything that has to do with this, and then I'll teach you how to go about writing the current status and the action plan. Uh, then I'll teach you how to forward this to your client or your boss. So this is the aim of the mentorship program for you to be able to know how to work as a data marketer. So thank you very much. Let's move on to the next.